Hello friends, this is Mithiles. Uh, I am at home during lockdown period. I think today we will going to discuss how to fill up GST return file at home. First of all, last 2 years I have been filling up GST file from another CA, and we will have to face a number of problems there because today is the professional world. In this world, most of the persons harass you uh, with different things. For example, if you say someone to file your GST, he will also create some of the situation which will afraid you day by day, and you will be afraid by the GST. What Rahul Gandhi said, Gabbar Singh tax. We learn GST in 1 hour, so it is not very tough to count something. For example, first of all, we will make a file or make a return file of GST. You will watch, enjoy it. First of all, I will show my status myself. Suppose you are a shopkeeper, wholesaler, or any of the business industrialist or other. Suppose you want to check your GST return yourself. How can you check it? We will make this very clear through my own account. Let us enjoy watching my video on GST. Thank you. Please watch. We will just click GST portal on Google. And this is GST portal. We will click GST portal, and this is the uh, goods and sales service tax, GST portal. And first of all, we will click to services. You can also click to the services, and you can find, if you are a new learner, you would have to join the GST. You must have to get your GST from here. You can you got your registration from here. Suppose that you are an user and you want something, you want to track your status, GST application status. You should have to be click here. Suppose I have clicked the status option. This is the just we are just the computer is going to display status. Let us you enjoy. This is if you find out a status, you must have to generate your ARN number. That is very sacred. If you are a new learner, you can take it from there. Then suppose that you have already have account, GST account. You must have to log in first. If you log in here, your account will be displayed. I have make my account from that code, and this is the username, and the passcode is here. Passcode is very secret, so we will not display my own password here. You must have to understand that your password should be, first letter will be capital, then will be small, or other some special letter will be added there, and some of the numbers will add here. Suppose my password is that I have maintained my password here. Then captcha will be mentioned, 313166, and we will log in. If you log in, then your GST portal, your GST filing will be open. Suppose I have login it on today's date. Today is 8/6/2020. This is my portal. Welcome Mithilesh Kumar Pandey to GST common portal. Currently logged into this is my GST number. And suppose that you must have to find out your GST return. You can click here. Suppose you must have to fill new return trial. You can click here. If you have to got challan, you can click here. Annual return, you can click. Views, notice and orders, you can click. At the time, continue to dashboard. If you want to be continue on dashboard, you must have to click here. First of all, I will get what is the return status here. I will click that dashboard. Suppose during the lockdown of the COVID-19, most of the business in all over India is about to close. So during that long period of time, we are from last 3 months we are unable to got purchase or sale from uh, other states. For example, I have imported goods from imported drugs from you know Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Punjab, Mumbai, and others. For example, we are unable to. Welcome back, friends. We will click return dashboard first. As we click return dashboard, the screen will display first of all this column file returns. In file returns there are three columns. One is the financial year. This is the financial year 2019 and 20, and the GST return will be filed dated from March, April, and May. This is the uh, I'm going to fill up my GST return from March. This is March month. We have suppose we have selected March month. We have to display March month and search. I have filed. I have searched for GST return. I have filed my GST on myself of the March month. This is GST R1. If you click here, this will be display. It will be display what is the value of your GST product here. This is my data. Here I have filed of the March status. Then we will watch what is the status of April here. We will just click this is the financial year, this is the March month, and we will click to the April month and search. If I search April month, this is the detail of April month. A status filed, view GSTRN. File is this is the GSTR1. This is also filed, and monthly returns GSTR 3B. This is also filed here. Suppose that I have to find the status here. This is the status. This is my status. GS10. This is my GS10 legal name, my trade name, agency Mahakali Drug, and this is the status of my GST filing of GSTR1 of April. And we will just back from here. And this is just a process. You can search your return filed by your accountant. If you do this, you can do it yourself. So I think that if you want to save 1,000, 10,000, 5,000 rupees every month, you must have to learn GST filing. This is not very tough to learn. This is very simple to understand and to learn. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.